Hi, this is Dr. Johnson here at Compassionate Care, and today we're going to talk a little bit about medications in cats and those commonly asked questions that we hear from our pet parents. Behind the camera is Anya, and she is going to start reading off some of these questions and give you guys some answers.
So, Dr. Johnson, do I always need to seek the guidance of a veterinarian when giving my cat medicine?
I think that is a fabulous idea, and there's a very good reason for that. A lot of these cats can have multiple different things going on, and they are very, very good at masking their signs until they're super sick. So it's going to be important that we get good head-to-toe exams on these guys, let them get a feel for what's going on with them, see if we can identify any pain or any disease, to be able to properly set up medication if needed and get those things in order. So,
can I give aspirin or NSAIDs to my cat?
So there are some over-the-counter medications out there, but we have to be very, very careful because they can cause problems in our kitty friends. There's very few things that we use these sort of things to treat. Definitely before starting any over-the-counter medications, we definitely recommend consulting with your veterinarian just to make sure, number one, it's safe, and to be sure we get proper dosing and that we're treating for the right thing. Yeah.
Are there any human medications that are safe for cats?
Yeah, there's a few on the market. The vast majority are not going to be safe. You know, we don't want to be giving a lot, pretty much anything at all, unless we know for sure that you've run it by your vet. There's a lot of medications on the market, I think, that can cause potentially life-threatening changes or gastric changes and stuff like that. So call your vet before giving anything for sure.
So what are the medications that my veterinarian may prescribe if my cat is in pain?
So the two most common ones that we see, and the big one that we use here, is a medication called gabapentin, and it's pretty safe in general for a lot of these guys. That is really good for arthritis pain, especially in kitties with other underlying disease processes going on, thyroid or heart or kidney stuff. And there are some non-steroidals out there that we'll use. We use them, case by case, depending on how, the kitty's other overall health things are going there. So we want to make sure they're healthy before we start those, and definitely monitor blood work and stuff while they're on those sort of meds in case we need to take them off it or adjust dosing. Yeah.
What is the best way for me to give my cat medication?
That's a really good question. So that is definitely one that a lot of people struggle with. So the best way, it kind of depends on your kitty and what they like. If they're treat kitties that just love treats and love food, very food motivated in general, like this little girl here, as you can see, we can get medications compounded into a chew, sometimes even into a liquid that's flavored with chicken or tuna or something like that, and a lot of those cats will take it right up. Other kitties aren't so easy, and sometimes we do have to give pills if if that formulation's not an option. And a lot of those cats, we can pill them by holding their head here, opening up and popping down the hatch. Now, she is a very good kitty. Not all kitties you can do that to. So there's other little things that we can do, like transdermal formulations for medications, where we can just rub a little bit of a lotion on the inside of the ear. They think they're getting scritches, but we're actually giving them medicine. There's injectable medications. There's a whole list of different options, and it kind of, again, it depends on that cat.
So is CBD oil considered a safe and effective cat medication?
CBD is a super hot topic right now, and there's a lot of research going into, dosing schedules and how effective it is and when to use it and all of those things. And I wish I had a straightforward answer for you, but certainly it is something, like if it's something you strongly, are looking into and stuff like that, talk it over with your vet. I think, looking at the pros and cons and that sort of thing would be super beneficial. There's just a lot of different products on the market right now, and it's not something that's regulated very well. So we got to be very, very cautious about this, especially in sensitive creatures like kitty cats. If you have any questions at all about medications in cats, or if your kitty's on medication and you wonder if your cat needs medication, you're having trouble giving medication, certainly give us a call here at Compassionate Care, and we can kind of go through everything with you and get a good plan moving forward for your little babies. So we're here for you if you need us. Thank you.